What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. I'm your girl Katrina, who's ready for another fun tutorial. Okay everyone, if you take a look at all the products that I have here today, you can see what's going on. I'm gonna jump right into today's video because I'm excited about this one. Welcome to the channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Katrina. Sorry you might not see my face today, but of course I'm in pretty much every single video. So today we just working, you'll see my hands, and I wanna make this beautiful stemless wine glass tumbler for you guys. This is my own spin, my own version of the Leopard Peekaboo Glitter plus Bling Stemless Wine Glass from the Dollar Tree. So as you see, I have all the products. Of course, you'll need to clean and sanitize your wine glass. The glitter I buy them in large quantities like this. I do have some special glitters from other places, but I forgot where I got this one from. I'll try to remember and have it linked down below, but this was like $9, $10, and you can also get it on sale. So I have tons of colors in the big jars like this. Of course, you'll need your stemless wine glass from the Dollar Tree, $1.25 tree. I'm going to be using the glossy Mod Podge and the dishwasher safe Mod Podge as well. Of course, I'm going to be not just doing the peekaboo, but I'm going to be adding some bling to it as well. So stay tuned until the end. My bling is from Craft. I'm going to be using Liquid Fusion, and I have these little precision tip bottles that's going to help, with precise applying the glue. Now you can use the painter's blue tape if you like, but I like using the electrical black tape from the Dollar Tree because it's cheaper, it's stronger, and you get 2 in a pack. So I'll be using that tape today. Of course, you'll be needing all your different tools, weeding tools and stuff for your decals. This is not Oracle 651. I'm using the Starcraft brand because I just like it better, and this is the glossy one. Of course, you'll need your brush. You can get these from Dollar Tree as well to apply the Mod Podge. And of course, you'll need a Rhinestone Picker, bling picker to apply the bling. And I'm going to be using this beautiful gold color as well. You'll see where I use that from. This is Starcraft as well. So this is the permanent vinyl that you can apply to any of the wine tumblers or pretty much anything. And I'll be using parchment paper to catch the glitter and the Caesar adhesive tape to apply the decals. All right, so that's everything that I'm going to be using. This is going to be a real simple but fun project that you can do, add to your business, and make lots of money, and of course make them any type of way you want. So without further ado, let's go ahead, jump into the video, and make a beautiful Leopard Peekaboo Glitter Bling Wine Glass Tumbler. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Without further ado, let's jump into the video. So before I do anything, I'm just going to go ahead and cut out my decals using a leopard print background that I just got from Creative Fabrica. I have always wanted to do one of these stemless wine peekaboo glasses, so I'm going to put my own twist on it and of course add some bling to it because I like things that sparkle. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. Let's go. So the first step that I'm going to do, I'm going to remove the bottom of the tape. Then I'm going to add some water in here, and this is going to help me get a straight line. I could just mark on the glass, I could just, do something with a ruler, but I'm just going to add water to make it much more easier. Trying to see how high I want to go. That should be good enough. Okay, and now that I have the water in here, I'm going to use the electrical tape, and I'm going to now just put this all around. I don't want to pick up the glass, so I'm just going to do it down. I'm going to try to get it as straight as possible. Right above the water line. If the water will stop shaking. And I'm just going to take it off. Okay, so now I have a straight line all the way around. Now I'm gonna dump the water out. Now that I have the water out, I'm just gonna clean the glass off, and then I'm just gonna dry it off and then get started. So I have my decals. I'm gonna lay this right up here. I'm gonna cut a small portion of the transfer tape because I'm not gonna need a big piece. I'm gonna apply it in sections. I'm gonna apply the transfer tape in sections so I don't need a big piece. So now I'm just gonna take pieces of this, and you don't need to mirror. When you're doing this, when you're using application tape, you just cut regular, no mirroring. I'm just gonna pick that up. Just make sure it's stuck down. Okay, that's good. And now I'm just gonna place them sporadically wherever I want on the wine glass. Okay, so I have all my decals applied, leopard print, and you'll be able to see that from the inside. Now let's go ahead and apply the Mod Podge. So now I'm gonna apply the Mod Podge. I just have it in one of my handles for the tumbler, so that way it's easier for me to hold. So I'm just gonna apply the Mod Podge, and I would have a brush that's wider than wider than the actual thing. So all I'm doing is just taking it and coming down. You want to do nice even strokes. And this is just the first coat. You're going to do more than one coat. I'm so sorry I didn't even realize I was off camera. Please forgive me. I am going to lower down in just a few minutes, but all I'm doing is just starting from the top and working my way down, not passing the black tape. Okay. There, and now I'm just going to sprinkle on the glitter. Okay, tap it. This allows me to like have full control to turn it, twist it, tap it without ever touching the glitter. Okay, so this is just the first coat. Now I'm just gonna sit this back here, just like that, just like so. And I'm gonna put this glitter back inside. I'm gonna let this sit for about 20 minutes and then I'll do a second coat. Okay, it's been 20 minutes, so I'm gonna apply a second coat of Mod Podge. So because I have this inside, I can't see or tell if I can see the vinyl right now. So I just know that I can see some black through here, which is that. So of course I'm gonna apply a second one. A second coat of Mod Podge. So after it dries for 20 minutes, which I went to go eat me a little snack, so it's been like more like 30 minutes, I'm applying some more Mod Podge. You definitely don't want to use the matte Mod Podge. You want to use the glossy one, so that way your glitter will still shine. And I'm going to apply the next coat again. Nice and smooth all the way around. Okay, and gonna let that sit for another 20 minutes. Look at how the glitter just sparkles. Gonna let that sit. Okay, so it's been another 20 to 30 minutes. I'm just gonna brush that excess glitter off that's not stuck down, still coming off a little bit, and I'm about to apply the Mod Podge. I'm using really fine glitter. So I took the pole out and now I'm just pulling this out, being very careful. Ooh, look at that on the inside. Look at that. That looks so nice, so nice. Okay, so I'm going to take the tape off. I'm gonna take the tape off if I can find it, but I want to find the edge of the tape, and I think that's gonna be really hard now. Ooh, I should have left. I don't want to scratch, so I had to cut a little snippet and try to peel it all up. I gotta find where the piece is, so hopefully I'll get it. I got it. And there's the tape. So let's see if we can get a nice clean line. Pulling that tape off all the way around. Nice clean edge. There we go. Perfect, 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 perfect. Okay, I'm gonna clean it up, and then I'm gonna add the dishwasher safe Mod Podge. Sorry, I thought I was recording and I wasn't. I cut the camera back on and then I didn't record. So I'm just adding the dishwasher safe Mod Podge. This is why you do need a smaller brush, because you want to be able to control it. You can control it better with a much smaller brush. So I'm just really taking my time and being careful, trying my best not to get it on the glass or get it right at the edge, and then brushing up. No clumps, everything is smooth, and now we're gonna let that dry. Just one little part where I got some glue, and I'll just wipe that. Perfect. Now I'm gonna let that dry. All right, so I have my decal that I'm gonna put on here. So I'm just gonna move that over for like a quick second. Getting kind of cold and my garage is getting late. So I'm just gonna peel this off. Again, this is the gold Starcraft. You can use whatever color you want, but I use gold so that way you'll see the gold behind it on the inside of the glass. Okay, and now I'm using that same tape, same transfer tape. See if it picks up. Oh, it's a little worn out. You're gonna see if you can pick this up with the same tape. Alright, just need a little help. Okay, and now I'm just gonna place this on. Make sure I get this nice and straight, because we don't want no crooked mug. Okay, leaving a little room at the top and the bottom. Okay, and I'm just gonna hold that up and look at it. That looks good. And I'm just going to press that down and peel that back. And now I have my letter. You can see the inside. Now, all that's left is for me to bling out my letter. So I'm gonna let this sit for like at least another 20-30 minutes, just because it's gonna be a lot of maneuvering around when I bling it, and I just want to make sure that it's completely good. Nothing is coming off. I only did one layer of the dishwasher Mod Podge, and you know, you can feel it. So I'm thinking, should I epoxy it? Not sure, because I didn't think about it. I use dishwasher safe Mod Podge, but when I bling them, not all of them will be bling, but when I bling them, definitely can't put this in a dishwasher. So I should have just used a regular glossy Mod Podge, or you can even epoxy this. So that way it's even better. But I definitely will not be putting this in the dishwasher because I am going to be adding rhinestones on here. So that's my next step. I'm going to decide if I'm going to add a second coat. I'll let you know if I do. Just so it can be a little bit more secure. Seems like it's good, but I might add one more coat and then I'll begin to bling. So I did go back and add one more final coat of Mod Podge. I'm using the glossy because I'm not putting it in the dishwasher. So that makes 4 coats all together. So this glitter ain't going nowhere. This thing is going to be safe. Y'all almost knocked my little ring light down trying to record. Okay, so now I'm going to be using the Liquid Fusion glue. I used to use E6000, but I heard this was so much better, so I'm going to be using this. But for the first time, I'm using this precision tip bottle to see if I can apply it much better and faster. And I'm just going to be using the crystal flat back rhinestones. Made me a little Dollar Tree tray to spread it out because I don't have any of those other little cute trays, so I want to keep it and hold it all in place. This was silver, and of course I spray painted it rose gold, but I am going to put like a little decal on here, so I'll have like a little separate reel for that. So I'm gonna just speed through this because you guys have seen me glue before, bling before. I have other full tutorials, so I just want to get through this. So enjoy the music and enjoy the bling. This dry, and this is completely done. Leopard print on the inside, bling and glitter on the outside. All right, guys, get your shades. Here's the final results of my leopard peekaboo glitter rhinestone stemless wine tumbler or wine glass. I love the way this turned out. Do y'all see the way those rhinestones are blinging? I love this. So of course I wanted to take it up a notch. I'm gonna do different variations. I can do any letter, I can do words, and I'm gonna add something else cute on the inside so it's all not leopard. But I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little tutorial. If you like it, if you want one, it's gonna be listed in my store on my website tomorrow. Link is down below in the description box. Don't forget to like and subscribe. As always, thanks for watching. See you later. Love you. Bye.